Now the next two wines we're going to be doing are going to be coming from the Lodi region of California. The Lodi wine region is located to the east of San Francisco and just south of Sacramento. Now, this area is known for their agriculture. Some of the finest produce on planet Earth comes from this part of California. Now, the Lodi region is very, very dry and very, very warm. Some of the best red grapes grown on the planet come from a very dry, warm climate. Now, since there's very little rainfall here, they also use drip irrigation. Now, because of the warm temperatures and lack of rain, the vines are stressed and have to work extra hard to go deep as possible to find that water. And this makes all the energy they plant go towards the grapes, which are thicker skinned and have a richer flavor. They started planting grapes in the Lodi region in the 1800s, and they have over 125 different grape varieties there. Wines from Lodi have big upfront fruit flavors, and it's very, very red and almost purplish in color. And there's also a higher sugar content in these grapes, which means the drier the wine, the more alcohol it has. The yeast eats the sugar in the wine. The more sugar that the yeast eats, the drier the wine will get and produce more alcohol. This Gnarly Head 1924 Cabernet is a limited edition bourbon barrel aged double black. This wine is aged in American and French oak for 9 months, then aged 2 more months in bourbon barrels. The flavor is in-your-face blackberry, raspberry, blackcurrant, and warm spice, with notes of bourbon, of course, butterscotch, brown sugar, and toasted oak. It's phenomenal with grilled steak, pasta dishes with red sauce, or some nice blue cheese. Now the fourth wine we're going to be doing is the Gnarly Head 1924 Red Blend. Incidentally, 1924 is the first year they planted the grapes. This wine is a blend of 4 red grapes, all from the Lodi region. This wine has flavors of juicy blackberry, plum, and toasted oak notes. The finish on this one is black cherry, raspberry, and sweet vanilla. The secret to selling these red wines is to bring them down to cellar temperature. Give them a few minutes in the cooler, or maybe in your bucket of ice where you have your Riesling for a little while. You don't want to serve it too warm. The cooler temperature of 50 degrees or so will really open up those berry flavors and vanilla. I would not start them with the reds, start them with the sweeter wines first, and then finish them with the reds. So that's it, chefs, for period 7. It's going to be a good one. It's going to be a little bit warmer outside, so we're looking forward to it. Have any questions, please let me know, and let's have a great selling period.